So I'm going to share with you the #1 way to increase your survival if you have skin cancer, and that is early detection, okay? So here's how this works. If you've never had a skin cancer scare in your life, then listen up, because this could be the most important video you'll ever watch. If you have had a skin cancer scare, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But there are 3 main types of skin cancers. There's basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. And of those 3, the one that is the most deadly is melanoma. Now, it's also the least common, but it's still very important to get checked out if you see anything suspicious. So when we talk about early detection, what exactly does that mean? It means that the earlier we catch it, the easier it is to treat, and the higher your survival rate is going to be. So let me share with you some statistics. If we catch skin cancer early, the survival rate is 98%. If we wait until it has spread to the lymph nodes, the survival rate drops down to 63%. And if we wait until it has spread to distant organs, the survival rate drops down to 15%. Now, if you have a suspicious-looking spot and you go see your primary care doctor and they do a biopsy and it turns out to be skin cancer, don't panic, okay? Because it's very treatable, especially if it's caught early. So what do you do once you have that diagnosis? Well, you need to find a specialist called a dermatologist, okay? You want to make sure that you find one that specializes in skin cancer treatment. And there are 3 main things that we use to treat skin cancer. One is surgery, which is the most common way that we treat skin cancer. The second way is with radiation, and the third way is with immunotherapy. So if you have skin cancer, the most important thing is to not panic, okay? It is very treatable, especially if it's caught early. So that is why it's so important to do your self-exams and to see your dermatologist regularly. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gave you some insight as to why it's so important to get your skin checked if you have a suspicious-looking spot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.